She also appeals for mercy, but Shylock refuses to take into account the appeal made by everybody. Finally, Portia tells him to take or fulfill the condition mentioned in the bond which was signed by Antonio. Shylock was very happy, as he thought that he would be in a position to fulfill his ambition of taking revenge upon Antonio. He started praising Portia. When he was ready to cut a pound of flesh from the body of Antonio, Portia tells him to read the bond properly. Portia said that the bond gives him the legal right to cut a pound of flesh from his body, but while cutting, he must fulfill two conditions. One was that he must not shed blood while cutting the flesh, and secondly, he must cut exactly a pound of flesh, neither more nor less. It was very difficult to follow both the conditions. Then Shylock became helpless. He pleads for mercy. Portia, on the basis of her intelligence and wisdom, brings Shylock into the clutches of law and saves the life of Antonio. Had Portia not appeared in the court as a lawyer, there was every possibility that Antonio must have lost his life. Credit goes to Portia. Now, Shylock was compelled to show mercy, as he had refused to show mercy to Antonio. Therefore, mercy was denied to him, and he is also punished for his cruelty. The appeal for mercy is the most significant aspect in the trial scene. This scene also throws abundant light on the character of Shylock, his cruelty, his revengeful nature come to light. Shakespeare has described the trial scene properly, and this scene is also significant from the dramatic point of view.